twinkle, twinkle, little star. It's like it's singing that. Well, that one's still going? I didn't even know that. That great calculus. Oh, no. Oh. I thought that one was completely dead. I was like, but it was going super fast. That one fell to a level, different level. There's yellow, the pretty one. You've got to come over here, yellow. Wait, it's dead. It's just going in circles. It's dead completely. Turning because it's dead. Yellow. Uh-oh, the gravity's dead. White. Well, he climbs down on this side. It's hard to see this angle of it. That one's been there the whole time too, that gray. Jeez, that brown is still going. I'm so proud of how long that brown one's lasting. Normally it lasts like 15 or 30 minutes, but it's lasted hours all this time with a Sunbeam battery. That's a cheap battery. Oh, that one fell out. I think they opened the door somewhere. The ones up here, for when I get the zip line, that's what I'm putting the zip line thing that makes them zip down on these ones. That's when the zip lines are going on. Don't ask me how long it is till I'm gonna get it. Whenever it comes in the store or something. But I get to start collecting rare habitats from Hong Kong. They're really different. When I get them, you'll be surprised. I know you will. Oh, they're still on there. Hey, that was mean. That seesaw changed the direction for that one. Jeez, how long are you planning on staying on that? Jeez, they never come off once they're on. That one's still working? It's not even dead yet. I cannot believe that. For how long it is lasting. Ooh, 3. Aha, they knocked it off. Who's gonna get knocked up now? Probably the gray. Push, guys, push. See, you need 3 to work, or 4. Oh, see, See, I knew the green would win. Wahoo! That's probably my favorite purple one. Other than the toothbrush bug one. Ah, waffle! Naughty boy. This gravity one has an orange cover on it. How long are you gonna be here? You don't go through these very much. Oh, well, one just went through that one by itself. Geez, they're both stuck. I like the blue and red one better because it's more pretty. Blue and red is better together than green. Whoa. How are they going to battle off that when this is dead? This one just runs off, the blue. Normally. That one won't work. Here comes the green. Probably gonna fall right off. Oh, so close. There. It wasn't even pushed down all the way. No wonder it was crooked. I love how they do that. That's funny. That's the rare one of the refraction collection. The brown is the rare one of the calculus. That one's dead though, my brown. I can't believe he's not dead yet though. These two are the ones that have the speed covers on that come with the racing set. So that's why they're going fast. Even though he's dead, just think how slow he'd be going without it. Oh, jeez. Pink one. Oh, it just went through it. Stop it. You go over those, not eat them. Ah! I don't like the merry-go-rounds because they never come off. I don't know how they come off. Yeah, I haven't quite figured that out. Oh, that one's dead. Who's gonna win? Big battle. Oh, that was nice. Whoa, that one gets up really good. And it just fell out from the top one. Still working. I wouldn't go in the bridge battleground one. I don't know if you're fast enough. It's lasting a long time when it's slow. It's never been like that in almost a year where I got a good battery for it. Ah, the gray wins. Uh-oh, this one's tipped over. Don't eat that! I told you already. You had slugs. You ride it. You walk over it, not eat it. Get that straight. Uh-oh. This one's completely dead. Uh-oh. if they can even get up anymore. Oh, whatever. Don't ask me what I'm doing. I have no idea. Oh, the purple fell off. White fell off. The brown is still going. But not really this one anymore. It's dead. But that one is still going. Need the blue and green. Oh, wow. Jeez, that white one's going fast. Wait, there's some gravity purples that are still really fast in here. This is one that goes fast. I'm so proud of you, Brownie, for how long you're lasting. Now, I was saying I might have to get a new one for how short it used to last, but now look at how long it's going. Yes, I was wrong. But if it wouldn't do that buzzy noise, it would last even longer. I think. Wow, they're going through those now. It's better. That one's probably getting dead. Turn around. The racing film. Look at it, you're gonna fall out the window soon. That's the 3rd floor. There we go. Whoa! That one doesn't work because it has the pokey cover. Geez, that yellow one's still going, even though it's going in really bad circles because it's dead. Go straight, Brownie. Go straight. Oh, poor guy. He's alone. I can't could have recorded that. He's all alone on the battlefield.